Is your real estate exam coming up? Do you want to study but don't know where to start? Are you serious about passing the exam the very first time and finally launching your real estate career? Then I got something you're gonna love. You're gonna love this. My name is Robert Rico and I'm the head instructor here at US Realty Training. Join me as I teach an 8-hour video course. 8 hours, that's a lot of hours, on everything you need to know to pass the real estate exam on your very first try. Now, this is a crash course on the concepts, vocabulary, and math that you will see on the national exam that's administered by PSI. We spent hundreds of hours reviewing the material that you'll see on the exam, and we've designed this crash course to match, category by category, the PSI national exam. You can't beat it. No, the crash course is as detailed as this. When you enroll, you get access to these videos for 2 months, which means you can watch and rewatch again if you want, as many times as you want. This course also comes with our online exam prep package. You can't beat that. You'll be able to take unlimited practice exams, review thousands of vocabulary flashcards, read our ebook study guide, and watch video explanations that help you learn the material. Our exam crash course and prep package has helped thousands, I'm talking thousands of people pass the exam and become real estate agents. Now, I want to help you do the exact same thing. Join today and make passing the exam easy.